ADA coin cost could flood to a limit of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. Cardano cost with a flood could accomplish the $4 mark by 2030, with a likely high of $4.10 for the year. The year 2009 was an imperative year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business for eternity. This is fundamentally on the grounds that the year had a place with the crude digital money Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year additionally had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain which has been constant with its turns of events, Cardano. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as quite possibly of the most adaptable framework on the planet monetary discussion. The organization has been quick advancing to be the primary companion evaluated and perfectly adaptable chain. In the interim, the worth of the local symbolic ADA cost remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted generally. Cardano cost expectation for 2023 could go from 47 cents to 71 cents for the year. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore have casting a ballot rights which will impact the future improvement of the organization. Will ADA cost bounce back into this year? We should check the Cardano value expectation for 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage, first to be established on peer checked on research and created through proof-based techniques by the organization. It joins trend-setting innovations to give unmatched security and supportability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. What is Cardano? The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first friend-looked into decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local cryptographic money drives that convention. It was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has a stock restriction of 45 billion tokens. Cardano value expectation 2023. Hydra is the following impending redesign of Cardano for Layer 2 adaptability arrangement. It's basically plans to speed up through low dormancy and high throughput, which additionally offers limited exchange cost. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever. Hydra offers expanded throughput, limited idleness, and cost-productive arrangements. The cost of Cardano cost has not seen a positive cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is supposed to be a great time for dealers and financial backers as the cost of this crypto is low and has a high expected before long. A consistent slope and unmistakable quality is basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately ponder ADA's cost. In such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA coin cost should reach as high as 71 cents. On the disadvantage, assuming things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 47 cents. Progressively, a harmony in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 55 cents. ADA coin value expectation 2024. Cardano is the first blockchain stage to be worked through peer-explored research, to be adequately secure to safeguard the information of billions, sufficiently adaptable to oblige worldwide frameworks, and adequately vigorous to help basic change. Diffie's and Cardano's developing strength in the area could become basic for Cardano. Besides, the heightening count of designers would assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore ADA cost could impel to a limit of 99 cents toward the finish of 2024. Be that as it may, assuming the more extensive market goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the Cardano cost could drop to 75 cents. That being said, the standard cost could settle at 83 cents. Cardano value forecast 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, assuming that the convention carries out its open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific merchants, gambling with the cost to plunge close 92 cents. Be that as it may, taking into account enhancements and bug avoidance frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $1.06. In the event that Cardano effectively signals off certain activities, joint efforts, and new updates in savvy contracts, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano estimate 2026, as indicated by our investigators. ADA cost for the year 2026 could go between $1.10 to $1.59, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $1.34. ADA value expectation 2027. As per our investigators, Cardano cost for the year 2027 could go between $1.56 to $1.98, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $1.75. Cardano expectation 2028. As indicated by our investigators, ADA forecast for the year 2028 could go between $1.93 to $2.32, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $2.16. ADA coin cost expectations 2029. As indicated by our examiners, Cardano estimate for the year 2029 could run between $2.35 to $3.02, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $2.67. Cardano value expectation 2030. As per our examiners, ADA expectations for the year 2030 could go between $2.99 to $4.10, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $3.52. Cardano value forecast. Assume Cardano keeps on zeroing in on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base, with a convergence of more up-to-date clients. Once more, this could help the value expectation of ADA to raise its bar to 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Notwithstanding, in the event that negative discernments torment ADA coin cost projection while the organization is still being worked on, the bears could take advantage of the chance and check the year-end value focus to levels around 47 cents. Basic examination. The blockchain is split into two layers, specifically the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL invigorates the shared exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros component, and the Savvy contract system is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two sections. Despite the fact that Cardano utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes a mind-boggling variant named Ouroboros POS. Ouroboros, in contrast to traditional POS, makes time slots called an age. Every age has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening. These pioneers complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This diminishes clog and expands TPS. Authentic value feelings. 2017 to 2021 Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. Be that as it may, falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over. ADA cost had started the year on a bullish note and figured out how to hit $0. The 5th of January 9th, heading on a downtrend. The value slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, however figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents and tedious endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and rose to 6 cents by mid-February. In any case, amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end. The exchange for 2020 was put to an end at 17 cents. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40. The market decline in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48.